Okay, I got my new clutch plates and steel plates I ordered from China. The clutch cylinder back together. I already have the piston back in. I did that in the previous video. This first ring is a cushion ring, and it's hard to see, but the edge slopes down. Downside is the side that goes in first. So if I set this flat, the inside is touching, but there's a little gap around the outside because it's tilted in a little bit. It goes not like that, like that. There we go. Alright, next is this thick steel. Nope, no replacement for this big ring. Looks fine. I'll just go ahead and use it. Okay, next is a friction plate. So this one should go in. Oil that up. Ring into the groove to make it fit all the way in there. Put this ring back on. We want to make sure that the end of the ring does not align with one of these little grooves right here. So I want the end to go. Alright, now I'm going to put the overdrive case back together. These, because of the notches, they'll only go in one way. There, we got it. We'll dab a little bit of transmission oil on there. Okay, another plate just like it. I'll replace that. Dab a little more. Okay, then the friction plate. I'll replace that with the new one. I'll oil it up real good. Okay, this big thick steel plate, I don't have a replacement for that, so another friction plate. And another big thick steel. Okay, I'll get all those back in. Yeah, I didn't take this planetary gear apart because it all looks fine. These two pieces that go on the end here. Okay, there, I got it. There we go. Okay, now that part's back together. Now I'll do this one over here next.